Sawadee Krap, Kung Teki Alay Krap. So today guys, I'm gonna do an unboxing, a gift from Thailand. Okay, a gift from a friend of mine. So I don't wanna mention his name. So without further ado, let's start and open the gift. Okay, so here's the gift. Open natin. So let's cover the information. Okay, so this is the gift. Actually, I claimed it yesterday. So I claimed it yesterday at the Philippine Post Office. So let's go open the gift. Okay. This gift is just a little gift. Actually, it's cute, and I opened this before, so I'm gonna do some unboxing here, so for you to see it. Okay, so sorry for the interruption, guys. My mother calling me and my father calling me to get his bath towel. So I didn't hear because I do a record here, and this is it, guys. So it's cute. This is what they call a decoration bag. Actually, it has a tea inside because it still smells tea. Actually, I think it has the same smells with condiments here in our noodles. Actually, it's the Lakimi chicken noodles. If you smell the condiments of the Lakimi chicken noodle, which is the powder inside, it smells the same. But this one is tea. Okay, so because of the Philippine Post Office rule, no liquid inside, so he crushed the tea inside here and just left the smell here because it was covered and the smells retained. So this is the gift from a friend of mine. Okay, so it's really cute, it's heavy, and I really appreciate it, and I love it. So I'm just gonna put it in my display room there. So that's it. So that's it, guys. So this is the gift I get from a friend of mine. This 2019. So actually it's 2020 now. And so this is it. It's very cute. So thank you very much, Kun, for giving me this gift, and I really appreciate it, and I love it. So that's it for the moment, guys. See you, and thanks for watching. If you like my videos, click subscribe and give me a likes. So don't forget to subscribe. Here's my my page, my Facebook page, Teki Diaries. Do subscribe also, and don't forget to subscribe in my channel, Teki Diaries also. So thank you very much, and thanks for watching again. Bye bye.